Zaniały ass bitch.
Oiii! Yes, people, you don't know. Cook and vibe, man. It's bonfire night in the main. Yeah, it's raining. I'm trying to get a bonfire started. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. You get me? It's fire and vibe today. You know what I'm saying? Happy bonfire night to everyone. Hope you have a good night. Be careful. Watch on yourself. Make sure you don't do no stupid things with no fireworks. Cause you know them man there do the stupid things with the fireworks. Don't be an idiot. You hear me say? We got man like C on camera. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna add some more. Let me see if I can build up this blood cloud fire now. Blood cloud fire now. Oh shit!
It's a big of stick on steel.
Yeah, man. You don't know, people. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. You know what I'm saying? So, alright. So, here's what we're gonna do today, people, yeah? We're gonna make s'mores. You know the American s'mores? Yeah. That's what we're doing today. So, welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. Today, we're making s'mores. You know what I'm saying? They use graham crackers in America. We don't have graham crackers. Let me tell you something. Chocolate digestive biscuits. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Look for me fire now! Yeah? Chocolate digestive biscuits. Graham crackers. Same thing. It's not the same thing, but that's what you can use. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. We're gonna roast some marshmallows and make some s'mores cause it's bonfire night. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Man like C, don't play with me. Look on the fire. You can't see? Oh. So I can have a log on there, what do you mean? Cook on the vibing, man. Cook on the vibing, man. Yeah. So people, hopefully we can see this. Can we hear that? Yeah. Let's get the light. Can we see that? Can we see that? Can we see that, C? Man like C. Can we see the digestives?
Yeah.
Alright, so people, simple things, you know. There we go. Right. Digestive biscuits, marshmallows. Yeah? This is how we're gonna do it, yeah? Right, then we're gonna put this. Let me just put the marshmallow there. So what we're gonna do, people, right, is we're gonna get one marshmallow. We're gonna treat ourselves because bonfire night. We're gonna get 2 marshmallows, right? Put that down there. Get that on the fire. Yeah! Cook and vibe! I feel like they're sliding off for some reason. No, they're not. That's me. That might have been the herbal cigarette before. Fucking hell, bruv. People, one thing we can tell you. Don't put this straight into your mouth. Cause you're gonna burn up your mouth. Trust me. Very, very hot. I reckon that's good enough, you know. I reckon that's good enough, see. So what we're gonna do now, look at that pussy clot. Oiii! So what we're gonna do now is just gonna, you see that? Please don't play with me. Please don't play with me. Alright? And we're just gonna get, and we're just gonna, ah shit! Ah, that was like an advert. You see it drip off. People, there we have it. A s'more. A s'more. Yeah, man. English version of a s'more.
You gotta taste it, no?
Yeah, I suppose I should really. But like I said, don't be an idiot and put that straight in your mouth because that's. Yeah, it's good to go. It's good. Oh, it's mad, you know. It's mad, you know. It's mad, you know. S'mores. English version. Cook and vibe. With Daya, man. Gonna make the man them one night, isn't it? Why? Alright, people. So here what I'm gonna do. It's bonfire night. We've had the fire going for a little while now. We've done the English version of s'mores. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Everyone's coughing in the background. What else? Oh yeah, it's 1:30 in the morning. Probably shouldn't be doing this. If we run out of firewood, we're gonna nick next door's gate. Yeah, we're just gonna put some more logs on here now, people, and just fire up the thing, you know what I'm saying? If you ain't got, if you're not familiar with what's going on, I've just burnt the camera. No, listen, hear what's going on. Big up Moss Media, the Boss Media and the Flop Media. It's been in LA, so man like C has been on the camera. You know what I'm saying? Big up for the Savos Up episode last week. I hope you enjoyed all that. It's doing well. But it's 1:30 in the morning. It's bonfire night. And my hair tells the story. Right, we're gonna go indoors, and what we're gonna do next, people, yeah, is we're gonna make some Jamaican hot chocolate, yeah? Raw chocolate straight from Jamaica, the real thing, straight off the plant. We're gonna make some hot chocolate and finish the night like that. Can we zoom in on my hair? Because I think that's what you do. This is the story of tonight, people, yeah? Excuse me. Thank you. Yeah, let's go! It's Cook and Vibe, people. We're back again. You don't know. Listen, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. You know how it goes already. Every Sunday, 6:30. You know what I mean? Oiii! Yeah, today, people, we're gonna make some hot chocolate. It's bonfire night. We just had our bonfire in the back garden, you know what I mean? So right now, we're gonna make some chocolate, hot chocolate, but not normal one. Yeah, this one is the real one, man. Real from Jamaica. Real chocolate from Jamaica. This is the real thing, people. You see the one, yeah? Right, straight off the tree. Big thing. Come off the tree, cocoa beans inside them, strip it down, dry it out, mash it up, roll it into a bowl, and yeah. So obviously you're not gonna be able to just get this in local convenience store. But look, if you look at the last episode, yeah, and look where the Jamaican shop in where I got my limes from, that's where I actually got this from. So yeah, and I'm sure you can order it online anyway, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, today we're gonna make hot chocolate, and you're gonna need some chocolate, a raw one from Jamaica. We have one cinnamon stick, yeah, and some nutmeg, right? We're gonna use some milk and water, yeah, half milk, half water. Yeah, we're gonna put 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of water. Boom, you get me? We're gonna add a little tiny bit of salt as we go, and at the end we're gonna sweeten it with sugar. So it's real simple, real simple. So first of all, we're gonna grate the chocolate. Yeah, it's the first thing we're gonna grate the chocolate. So here's one I made earlier, Jeffrey. You see it there? That's what it looks like when it's all grated up and ready to go. You know what I'm saying? So people, I'm gonna get busy and grate the other piece of chocolate, and then we're gonna get ready and show you how the thing goes. You know what I'm saying, man? It's Cook and Vibe, man. Oiii, bonfire night special. Yeah! So, alright, I'll put 2 cups of water into the saucepan, right? I'm gonna add 2 cups of milk. I'll just go for the other piece of milk there. Yeah. 2 cups of water. 2 cups of milk. Cinnamon stick. Bam. You get me? Nutmeg. You know what I mean? Yeah, not too much. Not too much nutmeg. So once we got that in there, we're just gonna, yeah, my thing. Cook and Vibe. And then we're just gonna stir that around, people. Yeah. Now in this, at the end of it, right, it's inevitable you're gonna get bits. It's inevitable you're gonna get bits, but this is homemade raw hot chocolate, so do you know what I'm saying? It's all part of the process. Is it me? But yeah, man, we're there, people, man. You get me? You see the color change in there? See the color change in there? So all we're gonna do is we're gonna add like a little pinch of salt. Just a tiny little pinch of salt. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sweeten this afterwards, people. But what you wanna do, you don't wanna overboil it, because obviously there's milk inside there. We don't wanna overboil the milk or nothing like that. But literally, after this, you just leave it for like 5-10 minutes. You know, you can leave it for 15-20 minutes, but you only need like 5-10 minutes. Do you know what I'm saying? And just keep stirring it round, getting them flavors from the cinnamon and the nutmeg in there. Yeah, man, real hot chocolate, real Jamaican style, you know. Yeah, man, you know how we do the thing already, cook and vibe. We do things fresh and, you see me? Yeah, man, everything, man. So some people call it Jamaican chocolate tea, cocoa tea, hot chocolate, you know what I mean? Cook and vibe, we blend the English with the Jamaican. So we're calling it Jamaican hot chocolate. You know, we mix and blend. You see it there, look at the color around that, Meji. Yeah. Oh, it smells like, just like a good, like, strong hot chocolate. Like, people, you know when you buy a good, you know, like when you buy a Belgian hot chocolate or something like that, you can, the chocolate smells rich. It just smells rich, and trust me, man, it smells good. So people, literally, man, we're just gonna leave this for another 5-10 minutes. You get me? Taste a little piece of the hot chocolate that the man then chill out, cause we've been outside with the fire. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, let's cook and vibe. Oiii. Yeah, man. You see it there? People, honestly, the smell of this is amazing. Amazing. You're not gonna get fresher hot chocolate than this. This is raw chocolate straight off the tree. You know what I'm saying? Fresh cinnamon, nutmeg, beautiful. The smell of this is mad, I promise you. And I'm not really a hot chocolate drinker, do you know what I'm saying? But big bag of sugar. So now we're just gonna sweeten it, yeah? So I'm gonna add like, I'm a guy that likes things sweet. So I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons of sugar. Okay. Mix that round. Honestly, people, man, yo, me I tell you, the smell is amazing. Yeah. The freshness, yo, the freshness of everything in there, honestly, just, it brings it to life, man. It's so rich, and this is probably gonna burn me. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? No, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it, people. I'm gonna go for it. I'm not even gonna add no extra milk to cool it down, because I'm a baby like that. I'm a baby like that, you know, cook and vibe. But listen, let's test it. Oh my days. Oiii. It's amazing, bro. And honestly, like, sometimes the bits in it can put you off, but if you can see in that cup, there's no bits in there. There's no bits in there. That is cooked perfectly. I cooked it for about 10, see, were you what, 10, 15 minutes? Is that 15 minutes? Maybe 15 minutes. We've kind of boiled all the chocolate out of it, man. That is amazing. I need to have another swig before I finish and just big everybody up. Cause you know how things that already, man. How good hot chocolate. Oh, bruv. Bruv. It's made me feel relaxed. Yeah. So, no, I'm joking. People, man, I love you lot, man. Cook and vibe. It's Bonfire special. We've done the s'mores. We've had the chocolate. What more do you want on Bonfire night? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I hope you lot enjoyed the episode. You get me? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Tell a brethren for tell a brethren for tell a brethren. 5 seconds to press the like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you if you liked. Yeah, man. People, we'll be back next Sunday. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I hope you enjoyed this one. Honestly, it's about 3 o'clock in the morning now. I'm a little bit tired. The hot chocolates just humble me a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So, big up man like C on the camera. Big up Moss Media. This was Cook and Vibe. I am M that R most of the time. So yeah. See you later.
Doctors done yell, ass bitch.